Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tom Dolan. I am the Chief Executive Officer for the Town of Avalon Industrial Development Agency. I will be your officer for today's public hearing. We're holding a public hearing for AvalonBay Communities, Inc. and BH Realty Group, LLC. The time is now 12:02, and the date is September 19th, 2023. The purpose of the public hearing is to give the public a chance to have their comments heard regarding the proposed benefits for the potential IDA projects before they come before the IDA board. I will now read a copy of the public hearing notice that was posted in Nassau Suffolk editions of Newsday on September 9th, 2023. Legal notice, public hearing. Notice is hereby given pursuant to Article 18A of the General Municipal Law of the State of New York, the Act, that the Town of Avalon Industrial Development Agency, the agency, will hold a public hearing on the proposed granting of additional financial assistance to AvalonBay Communities, Inc., a corporation organized and existing under the laws of the state of Maryland on behalf of itself and/or principals of AvalonBay Communities, Inc., or any entity or entities formed on behalf of AvalonBay Communities, Inc., or any of the foregoing, collectively the company, and BH Realty Group, LLC, a limited liability company, organized and existing under the laws of the state of New York, or any other real estate holding entity formed by the principals of the company, collectively the owner, with respect to the project consisting of the acquisition, construction, and equipping of a multifamily residential and rental apartment complex containing approximately 317 rental units, 21 townhouse units, related parking and related amenities comprised approximately 401,000 square feet to be located on that certain approximately 7.68 acre lot, piece or parcel of land generally known as 366 Broadway in Amityville, New York. Facility, all for the use of the company as a residential rental apartment complex. Pursuant to the applicable state law, the agency proposes to grant certain financial assistance with respect to the facility, including certain additional exemptions from New York State sales and use taxation, as shall be determined by the agency. Pursuant to the act, the facility, which is to be owned by the owner and/or the company, will be leased to the agency shall be further leased to the owner and/or company to the extent leased to the owner, shall be further subleased by the owner to the company and operated by the company. Company, AvalonBay Communities, Inc., 50 South Service Road, Melville, New York, 11747. Owner, BH Realty Group, LLC, 366 Broadway, Amityville, New York, 11701. Public hearing. All persons, organizations, corporations, or governmental agencies are invited to submit comments concerning the granting of additional financial assistance. The hearing will be held on September 19th, 2023 at 12 p.m. at 21 Ireland Place, 3rd floor, Amityville, New York, 11701. Project application, together with a cost-benefit analysis with respect to the facility, shall be available for inspection by the public at the office of the agency at the above specified address during the regular business hours of the agency. For those members of the public desiring to review project applications and a cost-benefit analysis before the date of the hearing, copies of these materials will be made available at AvalonIDA.org/documents. Click on the search bar and enter into the search bar AvalonBay Communities, Inc., and you will find the application for AvalonBay Communities, Inc. for the year 2021. Be advised that it is possible that certain of the aforementioned proposed transactions may be removed from the hearing agenda prior to the hearing date. Information regarding such removals will be available on the agency's website, www.avalonida.org/news-events on or about 12 p.m. of the day prior to the hearing. Participation at the hearing. Persons desiring to submit comments concerning the facility and the additional financial assistance to be granted thereto should contact the Town of Babylon Industrial Development Agency, 47 West Main Street, Babylon, New York. Attention, Thomas E. Dolan, Chief Executive Officer, at 631-587-3679 on or before September 18th, 2023 at the office of the agency. Written comments can be submitted prior to the hearing at that address. The agency reserves the right to limit the time available to any person presenting comments. If you do not want to participate in the hearing but would like to watch or listen to the proceedings, you may view a live stream of the meeting. Interested parties may view a live stream of the meeting online at the Town of Babylon IDA's YouTube channel. To access the YouTube channel, go to the IDA's website at www.babylonida.org/documents. The second item under the heading titled Documents, click this tab and follow the link provided. If you would like to access the IDA YouTube page directly from your browser, you may insert the following World Wide Web address: www.youtube.com/@BabylonIDA3966. Is anyone looking to speak? Were you looking to speak or?
Yes.
Okay.
You could just state your name for the record.
Address also.
Yep, please.
You can just state your name,
Yeah.
where you're from, and then we'll hear you go.
Okay. My name is Jeanette Santos, Santos, and my address is 82 Maple Drive, Amityville, New York. I've been a resident of Amityville, the same house, since 1958. My concern, I received this because I am a member of the school board. So this was sent to our president at Amityville School Board. I was concerned to the fact that our tax dollars are going to a person that it's a business. It's not a nonprofit business. It's a money-making business. And why is our tax dollars going to them? And now you already use our tax dollar to give them something. Now they want more. I don't understand. And someone told me last night, I was at a meeting last night, that the IDA does that because the business usually promises to hire people in the community, give jobs to people in the community. This is why the IDA helps them. But who's checking to make sure that that's happening, that they are employing our people? I still don't understand why we're using our tax dollars for a business that is a money-making business.
Okay, so when you say our tax, this is sales tax on New York State sales tax. It's not local property taxes right now. That's not the addition of what we're doing. This is just for New York State sales tax exemption.
Well, I do purchase things. I do pay the sale taxes also, but if the money is being previously, perhaps it's not, but if it's being previously given to a money-making business, that means when we go purchase things, our sales tax are going to go higher. We're not going to be paying the 8% or the 9%. We're going to be paying 10 and 15%.
Well,
It's still our tax dollars.
well, thank you for your comment.
You're welcome. Okay, thank you. Oh, and another thing, my own personal, it felt to me, and a lot of my friends who I talked to that couldn't make it because they're working, they were going to come, but they couldn't. I'm lucky I'm not working. But the one thing that the timing of this hearing, what I was told is they feel like it's a done deal. That's why they're having a meeting at 12 o'clock during the day when people are working. Okay, just for the future, keep that in mind. That it was like like the people felt like you didn't care whether they say anything or not because of the time you made this meeting. Okay,
That's why we give people an opportunity prior to the meeting
to right.
that they could submit comments, they could ask questions prior to, all the way up to the meeting.
Okay.
But again, I want to thank you for your comments. And we will record those comments. There being no additional comments submitted or requests to speak at the public hearing, at this time, we're going to close the public hearing. Thank you.